Hi, this is Keith with the Las Vegas Reel. This one is for all the West Summerlin residents. This is Sky Vista and Charleston. They've been doing a lot of work here. I think we're about 10 days, maybe even a week to opening up this light and getting Sky Vista back open. The traffic pattern's been horrendous here, and this would be one example of a result. There was actually a wreck on the bridge today. So I hope everyone's okay. Ambulance is on scene, tow truck. But I also wanted to bring you an update on the overall Legacy Trail. This is phase one. They're a month and a half from wrapping it up. They got the parking lot where the new sign location, that's already done. They've really been building up this pad here for the actual trail. I've noticed them getting into more of the fine work of compacting it, and it's looking honestly great. Las Vegas Paving Corp are the ones that are in charge of that, and they're doing a good job. I've been coming out here daily to do a weather report just so I could be bringing daily content, and it's been nice because this week they've really made some changes out here. It'd be so much nicer for bikes like that to be on this trail versus that road. It's always so dangerous. So let me just get down so you can really appreciate how good of a job they're doing here. Look at that. They put in this about a month ago right here. We're gonna have to do a bridge or something over that. I'm actually not sure how they're gonna handle it. Maybe they're just gonna pave right up to it, I guess would make most sense. They've been doing a great job with their dust control. See the watering truck right now. They've got a lot of extra dirt here, so they've been running these big trucks, loading them up right here. And then they end up doing a U-turn at the new parking area. Really impressed with how they've been handling traffic. Obviously, there was an accident on the bridge today. I see people do U-turns on that still, even though it's been 2.5 months that Sky Vista's been closed. So my assumption is that it was a fender bender for someone doing something that they shouldn't have done. So I hope, again, everyone's okay. There was an ambulance on scene though, so that's always, it's never a good thing. So I think they're gonna kind of knock down this hill that was in the middle there and then build up some of this space right here for the trail. I'm not actually sure what they're gonna do for this final push out to the parking area. I feel like right along this brush line would be the smartest. And then again, we're getting out to where the new sign location and parking area. I've never seen it too full. You know, definitely think they could use some trash cans for cleanup. I noticed people are kind of leaving some of their stuff around. And then I did see one vehicle that looked like they met and parked there and then went for a hike. I would highly advise against that. This place is going to get packed and we're going to have a lot of, you know, Charleston parking down the road. So I think it's best if this is just that quick photo spot and not like a daily parking spot for group hikes and stuff. It just doesn't have capacity for that. The parking in Red Hills is free. Red Springs, I mean. There's a free parking area there for 100 or so. Large vehicles too. And that one's just 2 miles into Calico Basin. That's what I would recommend. It's a beautiful day out here and really excited for the Legacy Trail to connect with the parking space and then, you know, see where it goes next. I know it's gonna head out to the campgrounds and things. So that those trucks that they've been filling, they're doing a quick U-turn in here as well. So it's one reason to park in the spots properly, you know, be aware of all the different traffic patterns for right now.